Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install Docker on Oracle Linux 7.3. Now first I'll do curl command. So I'll get the Docker I'm doing curl, then get-docker.com -o get docker.sh. So this should download a Docker script. Okay, I need to do some proxy configurations. Okay, now I'll give the command. So the curl -f stands for fail silently, then in the silent mode, and then L for location I specified, and capital S is for show errors. I'm trying this again. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I got that script. Now I need to run this script. So I give sudo command super user, then sh get docker.sh. So the Docker is installed in less than 5 minutes. Thank you.